The primary benefit of Metalphoto is durability. Durability makes Metalphoto readable through a variety of harsh operating conditions. Durability also means fewer nameplate and label replacements, the confidence of regulatory compliance, and lasting asset identification and brand recognition. Metalphoto is resistant to sunlight degradation, heat damage, abrasion, chemical corrosion, and saltwater corrosion. Durability matters not only because regulators require products, processes, and assets to be identified, but also because increasingly organizations are using barcoded labels to quickly and accurately track the location, maintenance history, and financial status of their products, processes, or assets. All of those complex systems rely on one simple thing: a readable label or nameplate. And if that label or nameplate is not readable by a person or scanner, the asset can be misused, mismaintained, or even lost. This is why for over 65 years, Metalphoto has been trusted by the most exacting manufacturers, governments, and military organizations because of its exceptional durability and readability in the most demanding environments on Earth and beyond. So when your product, mission, or the safety of your team deserves the security of durability, resolution, and variable information capability, specify Metalphoto, the material trusted where permanent identification is critical.